The derogatory term, copy and paste jobs, is widely used to refer to work that is frequently perceived as being basic, foolish, or low-skilled. In spite of this, the fact of the matter is that jobs that need copying and pasting are getting more challenging and time-consuming as businesses look for ways to streamline their operations. Even if the complexity of actions involving copying and pasting continues to expand, these activities are still an essential part of the operations of many businesses. In addition, copy-paste jobs can help businesses save time and money by automating operations that would otherwise be done manually. These processes include copying and pasting text from one location to another. Because of this, it is no longer necessary for businesses to carry out these responsibilities on their own. In this video, we will explore the top 10 sites that offer copy and paste jobs, as well as how to get started with each of those sites individually. But before we begin, let me welcome you to Cool Cash Cows. I'm Cool Cash Cow Connie, and here's a big moo-moo to you for joining our Cool Cash Cow community and making money online with us today. Go ahead and tap that subscribe button and bell icon so that you miss out on none of our online money-making secrets. Now let's do this. 1. Google Careers. Google is the most trustworthy platform available today because it is not only the most used search engine in the world, but also the most user-friendly. As a result of this, we gave Google Careers higher priority than any of the other available options. The only thing that is required of you is to search for the kind of work that you are interested in doing. You might, for instance, type top websites for online copy and paste jobs into the search bar. After that, you will be prompted to type in the role and location before you are allowed to click the search button. You will be given a list of websites that include work opportunities involving copying and pasting text. Check out all of the results. Make a decision about which applicant best meets your criteria, and then proceed to the website to submit your application for the position that requires copying and pasting. It is the best method for obtaining results after conducting an analysis of all of the trustworthy and well-known websites based on a range of factors, including customer evaluations, brand image, testimonials, and other things of a similar nature. 2. LinkedIn Jobs. LinkedIn is one of the most reliable social networking sites, and it helps millions of people who are looking for work find possibilities that are a suitable match for their level of competence and the kind of experiences they have had. It is a free job portal that has supported thousands of companies in the recruitment of new employees and provides chances for copy, pasting, and data input work to independent contractors. You can discover copy and paste work on this website that is either of a short-term or a long-term nature, depending on your preference. At this point, all that is asked of you is to register for this incredible website and look for work that corresponds to your interests in order to move on. You have the opportunity to send someone an invitation to connect with you if you feel that the person merits such an invitation based on your interactions with them. You may even get started on your job hunt on this platform right away by going to the Jobs section of the dashboard and clicking on the search button there. You can use the filter to identify the job that you are interested in, which will then display results and openings within the same industry for you to consider. 3. Upwork. Because it is one of the most credible websites that allows lots of individuals to generate money every day, Upwork has gained a lot of traction in India, leading to the country's rapid rise in popularity. Freelancers will find the platform to be an excellent place to conduct business. Additionally, many people go this route since they are looking for a long-term supplementary income, but do not wish to leave their current full-time employment. If you want to apply for more than one job using this platform, after you have created a free account on the platform, you may be required to pay a fee in order to do so. Connects is required in order to apply for any job listed on this site, as it is required to do so. It is dependent on the work and how much money it pays as to how the connects are used. To get a job for a limited period of time, you need between 3 and 4 connections on average. If you've already used up all of your connects and don't want to pay additional money to get more, the good news is that you get free connects every month. This allows you to apply a new copy, paste, and other firms even if you've used up all of your connects. You can increase your income by increasing the number of hours that you work. It's as simple as that. 4. People per hour. People per Hour is a web-based platform that is managed by a firm located in the United Kingdom. Its purpose is to assist job seekers from all over the world in finding work-from-home opportunities that are a good fit for their qualifications. The majority of people are familiar with it for writing and translation services, because it is one of the top websites for finding freelance employment. Although there are professions that involve copying and pasting text, they are not difficult to find and pay well. You will receive 15 free suggestions each and every month. You will be able to submit applications for jobs using those suggestions, which is the first step in establishing a reliable monthly income. If you have the good fortune to be selected, you won't have to spend anything to submit an application for any job you desire, regardless of its requirements. They only allow new accounts to sign up after their recruiting team has gone through the screening procedure and determined that specific requirements have been met. If People per Hour determines that your account satisfies their criteria, they may invite you to join their platform. If you don't, it could get rejected, and then you'd have to use a different platform to look for jobs that involve copying and pasting, or jobs that are similar to those jobs. You should put together a comprehensive portfolio before using this platform to look for work, so that you can increase your likelihood of getting employed. 5. Freelancer. Freelancers is a corporation that was established in 2009 and is headquartered in Sydney. People who are looking for jobs will find that this location is one of the greatest areas to look. It is a global crowdsourcing platform that assists thousands of people in finding tasks that include copying and pasting data or copying and pasting text. People use the platform primarily because it enables them to make a significant amount of money online. In this regard, it is comparable to the website Upwork. People are able to search for copy and paste employment without having to pay a fee, which is the nicest part. Every month, Freelancer will provide you 6 free bids to use on their site. To apply for one job, you will only need to submit one bid. That translates into the possibility of applying for 6 different jobs with your 6 bids. You may submit applications for additional positions. However, in order to get more bids, you will need to purchase a membership first. 6. Fiverr. You may make a respectable amount of money each month by performing simple copy and paste tasks on Fiverr, which is a fantastic service. When compared to other platforms that authenticate sellers, the selection procedure on Fiverr takes a relatively short amount of time, which is one of the platform's most appealing features. To begin, you will need to create a gig so that potential customers may get in touch with you about work. If they are interested in your performance, you will most likely receive a proposition for work. Therefore, everything hinges on the accuracy with which you describe your gig on the platform. You could also tell your friends and other people you know about your gig in the hopes they will be able to assist you in finding work in the near future. A great number of people using Fiverr are currently looking for freelancers who are capable of doing copy and paste work. Therefore, educate yourself on how to use this wonderful platform and create a gig that other people will want to purchase. You may even learn how to create a fantastic gig by using the dashboard that Fiverr provides. It will direct you in the most beneficial manner imaginable. 7. Click India. If you're seeking for a job that involves copying and pasting but haven't been able to discover a site that would help you make a lot of money, you should try this one. Click India is the place to go if you are interested in finding the solution to your problem. It is a nice classifieds website where users may post advertising for their employment for free or for a fee in order to discover the appropriate candidates. On the other hand, the platform is most useful for people who are actively looking for work because it assists them in finding work that is a good match for their abilities. However, before being recruited by the advertiser and beginning your job for them, you need to complete an audit of their account. It is not Click India's responsibility to ensure that you are compensated for the work that you perform. 8. Guru. On the website Guru, you can search for and apply for a variety of different online jobs that involve copying and pasting text. The most significant benefit of using this platform is that there is no cost associated with registering an account or looking for work that is a suitable match for your skills. This platform makes it easy to post a job, which means that regardless of whether you are an employer or a freelancer, you can post a job and easily hire someone else to complete the freelancing work that you have. This platform also makes it easy to find other freelancers to work with. If you work as a freelancer, it is imperative that you verify the validity of the filters applied to each individual job search. If you want to look for jobs that involve copying and pasting, for example, all you have to do on Guru is apply for a filter that focuses on jobs that involve copying and pasting. When you use this tool, you will only see jobs that are similar to the one you already have displayed to you as options for employment. 9. Flex jobs. You should look for a job that pays well if you want to improve your financial situation. Flex Jobs is yet another great website that may help you locate online copy and paste jobs that do not require you to pay on a daily basis. If you use this website, you should have no trouble obtaining work. Flex Jobs is a great place to seek for work that you can perform from the comfort of your own home, work that you can do on a part-time basis, or work that you can accomplish on your own. You ought to look into it if you are interested in working any of these different kinds of employment. In addition to this, you will get the chance to work together with renowned companies like Apple, Dell, Microsoft, Salesforce, PwC, and others in the industry. Despite the fact that there is no financial burden involved with making use of it, you will not be able to submit applications for numerous positions at the same time unless you upgrade to the commercial version of the software. It costs a total of $24.95 every month to purchase a subscription, which is available for purchase. The aspect of the platform that stands out as being the most useful is the fact that it offers a devoted customer support team, in addition to a money-back guarantee for a period of 30 days. This feature can be found in both free and paid versions of the platform. 10. Mega Typers. The Mega Typers website does not offer freelance work of any kind. Instead, it is a marketplace where tens of thousands of people can look for and find lucrative opportunities presented by job providers, brands, and government agencies. If you want to make money online by completing work that involves copying and pasting, this platform is ideal for you to use. On this website, you will be able to find data entry and copy and paste jobs that have previously been completed. The most positive aspect is that you will be paid promptly at the end of each calendar month. The payment is processed through directly into bank accounts during the first week of the next month. The vast majority of people who use the platform are students who are looking for ways to make money so that they can support themselves and cover their day-to-day expenses. If copy and pasting is not for you, click the video on the screen now for another great online money-making secret.